Alright guys, I got my camera video on record. I'm trying to get my GoPro video on record. So I'm going to use my phone to record me as I'm walking. And my GoPro is going to be recording what's in front of me. I made this little contraption that's allowing me to do that until I can go out and buy my new tripod, because my other one just broke yesterday. So I gotta go pick a new one up tomorrow, maybe today, whenever I have a chance. But the GoPro is videotaping what's in front of me right now while I see you guys on my phone video camera. I had to go sign my son up for his new teacher. His teacher that he has now, who is amazing. He's going to the Dominican Republic for like 3 weeks or something. So I had to go sign him up with a new teacher during that time so I can work. Just want to point out, aside from all that, point of me telling you that is on my way there, I walked by this really pretty garden. It's, well, kind of garden, not really yet, but the doors are open. And it's at the Lawrence Heritage State Park. I'm in Lawrence, Mass right now. So I thought on my walk to the bus, we would take a walk through there and see what it's got going on. So these videos are playing in sync. The phone is playing on me while the GoPro's playing what's in front of me. So when I upload both of them, I'll be able to play them back to back to each other. So this way you're able to see me and what's behind me and hear me talk. And then the GoPro is taking a video of everything going on in front of me. So here we are. This is the visitor center for the Lawrence Heritage Park. I don't know if you can read the visitor center sign, but God, I'm a sweaty mess. But here I am. Here we go. It's so pretty. I mean, the video does no justice for what I'm seeing in front of me. And as the summer goes on, all this will be grown with flowers. I believe that's what it looked like last year, but look at the whole top of this is metal, and it's all vines wrapped around it, grew around it, which is cool. I hear something in there, but considering the time of day, and this is a hot spot for squirrels. Yep, there we go, there you are, buddy. And birds. That's what my guess was, and I was right. They even have, look at that, they even have heat lamps for at night. They light it up in here with heat lamps, and you can walk in here and sit down, relax, talk, whatever, stay warm. But now that it's summer, all of this is growing in. It looks awesome. It looks really spooky in the winter. It's really empty and bare, and it just looks like one big cage almost. I love this part. I love the twisted tall vines overgrowing everything. Now that's behind me. That's the center of it. It's another, they have the side entrances blocked off or locked. You can only enter through the way I came in. But there you go. I love this wall. You've got all the, you can see above me, all that All of that is just vines. See it? You can see it good in the camera. Just metal across and all the vines are overgrown. It's really beautiful. And on the wall, on the GoPro in front of me, I love how the vines grow on the wall there. Really pretty. I think it's safe to say that this would be Ivy from Batman's hotspot. Beautiful. Really something. I was going to hop on the bus over to St. Mary's Cemetery today, but it's kind of getting later in the afternoon, so I thought I'd go home and get my little guy from school, have some dinner first, and then maybe they'll want to troop down here with me, or down there with me. Hey, buddy. There's a squirrel. Hi, homie. What you doing? Don't be shy, as Omar Gosh would say. And quote unquote, I own no copyrights. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. That's for you, Omar. Alright. Really pretty. You know, the thing about it is, I live in Lawrence, Mass. And been here for a year. And you know, I got the usual when people asked me where I was moving to when I got my apartment. And as soon as I said Lawrence, Mass, you know, they sit there and say, "Oh, Lawrence, you're going to Lawrence? You mean the drug city?" You know, shit like that. Excuse my French, but it upsets me because, you know, no matter where you go, you have drugs. Unfortunately, no matter where you go, you have good people and bad people. And no matter where you go, you have traffic and hangouts and torn down places and busy streets, and you know, I could go on for days. And unfortunately, Lawrence just got a bad reputation because of the unfortunate heroin epidemic, continuing heroin epidemic, I should say. And due to the fact that it's very easy to get in and out, or on and off, I should say, the highway in the city. It's easy for the people who are involved in, you know, that type of activity to bring drugs in here. A lot more easy and accessible than, say, other cities that are smack dab in the middle of nowhere or not close to any transportation, highways, you know, things of that nature. So it's unfortunate because I'll tell you something. I've been here for a year, and knock on air, I say that because I used to say knock on wood, but then someone told me, well, hey, you know, wood burns, so knock on air. And it's funny because I thought about it, and ever since they told me that, I've been saying knock on air ever since. Anyway, okay. See, there's my ADD. I can't help it. I'm sorry, guys. But, what was I saying? Yeah, so, you know, I've been here for a year, and I'd have to say out of all the cities I've jumped, all the places I've been, Lawrence is the one city I've had the least problems, or honestly felt the most welcome. I mean, everybody here, I mean, yeah, it's a Spanish populated city. I mean, I'm not fluent in Spanish whatsoever, so I mean, it makes it difficult in some instances, like minuscule instances where I'm at the store and everyone's speaking Spanish and I'm trying to tell them I need to buy some milk, and you know, they don't understand what I'm saying. Or, you know, I call for a cab to the bus station and I gotta tell the bus driver 10 times, bus station. It's even gotten to the point where I've had to pull up a translation app on my phone just to get me to work on time. But you know, it's fun, and it is what it is. And but again, like I said, I've been here for a year next month, and it's been fun. And I've had more problems, more people coming up to me trying to offer me drugs, or more people coming up to me trying to cause problems or trouble, or seeing more trouble and problems in other cities than here. And, you know, I mean, a huge part of that is, what the hell is that? Oh my God, it looked like I don't know what it looked like. Never mind, I don't know what I thought I saw. But a huge part of that is, you know, keeping to yourself. You know, I get up, you go to work, you go home, you spend time with your family. Look at how pretty the leaves growing on the brick is. I love that. I'll turn this around so you can see it on my camera behind me. It's a good shot right there. Look at how gorgeous that is. Love that. That's where I came in, the visitor center entrance. Just kind of walking around in here for a little bit, a few minutes before I walk towards the bus and walk you guys through the city a little bit until my GoPro. Oh, hi. Oh, we got two. We got two guys now. Ooh, there they go. Hey, homies. You like Lawrence too, huh? Oh, I didn't even realize there is a camera in here. Hi, I'm videotaping you too. Hope you're having a good day. But I'm just kind of walking around here. I'm going to do one more loop, and then I'm going to start walking towards the bus station. Hop on the bus home and give you guys a little walk through my my route during the day, or somewhat of my route. But again, a lot of the experience here being good. Oh shit, what is that? Oh, that's way bigger than a squirrel. I don't know what that was. What was that? Oh shit. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That is not a squirrel. What is that? Hey. Oh my God, I don't know what it is, and it's completely covered in bush. Oh shit, see that? The whole fucking thing, excuse my French, is shaking. Oh my God. I hope it's not a person. Oh shit, what is that? Oh, I see it. Oh, what is that? Oh, they are squirrels. Oh shit, there's like, excuse my French, I'm sorry, but it scared the crap out of me. There's like 4 or 5 of them in there. They made like a little house out of the overgrown ivy. That's awesome. Oh God, you guys scared the crap out of me. Hey, I'll tell you something. It doesn't matter if it's daytime or nighttime. I mean, things go down when they want to go down. Let's just say that. Let's just be honest. But, you know, I created my YouTube channel, DGF, with my husband, Kevin, and my son, Mason. Stands for Drones, Ghosts, Family. The 3 main things in our lives. My husband is an avid and amazing, dedicated drone connoisseur, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call it. He does a lot of, I've taken a lot of videos of him that we haven't uploaded yet because we're trying to get, you know, content together and just start uploading a few videos. And we did this thing a couple years ago, last year, called Building on a Budget. And he would order parts offline, very cheap, good parts. You know, show you what sites to go on to get the good parts for less money. And then he would build drones, whether his idea or idea of someone else, you know, about what they wanted, color, shape, da-da-da. And I would videotape him build, you know, get the parts, build them. Then we'd go out, he'd fly them. I'd videotape the flight. And he's truly amazing, truly something. And so that's his big hobby. My big hobby, I love exploring. You know, I see a lot of people kind of separating the line or throwing the line down between, you know, urban exploration and paranormal investigating. And I'm trying to mesh that line, you know. At least for me. I'm not going to speak for anybody else, but for me, there's no line. I go somewhere with all intent to explore, and I'm totally down for anything paranormal, if that's what ends up coming in or happening. I mean, I'm not going to say I go in with all this equipment and go corner to corner, you know, and I have complete respect for people who do that. And it's amazing what they do and what they find. But I'd say I go in with my camera, myself, couple pieces of equipment if necessary.